What's going on, guys? So, got food in my beard. I've just been eating a sausage roll. It's now 9:20. Blanking like a fucking trooper. Blanking like a king. So, we're at Boobies Bay. I found out the name of it. It's called Boobies. Beautiful night. Sea's kind of calm. It was worse the other day. The wind's alright. It's a nice pleasant day. So apparently, I spoke to an old boy who's been fishing here for years. He said this whole bit's been quiet for the last 3 years. However, he did have a bass on the lure today. So yeah, he did have one. He told me some interesting things. He said that we're talking about bass fishing now, lure fishing, yeah? I've done a bit. I've thrown it out about 100 times today. He said you'd be better off doing bait fishing, which is exactly what I'm doing. But I think I'd be better off using lugworm or ragworm or some peeler crabs or something live, which I'm not going to do because I'm a vegan, mate. I don't really want to be fucking putting a live animal on a hook. These, what I'm using, this bait, someone's already killed it, mate. I've got nothing to do with it. If I don't use this, it's going in the fucking landfill, right? So anyway, apparently squid is not the right bait for this time of year. The squid don't come in till, I don't know, September, something like that, he said. Match the hatch is what I need to be doing. So prawn would be a better bait. And the other thing he said was the sea's too flat, it's too calm, and the fish are too spooky, the sea's too clear, so they're not interested. It makes it harder, which is interesting. So it needs to be rougher, and the sea needs to be more churned up, and you need to be not be able to see the rocks bottom, and then the fish are hunting by smell, and it's better fishing. Apparently all the videos I've watched, it's flat calm, mate. Flat calm, crystal clear. So yeah, I got a few tips. Probably better off doing like shore fishing, beach fishing during nighttime hours. At night the fish are less wary, there's no one around, etc, etc. So those are the tips I've got. Yeah, another day, another blank, which is just ridiculous, mate. This is like fish heaven. Look around you. You'd think there'd be hundreds. Apparently not. Apparently the bait fish haven't moved in or something, and that's what the bass and the others are chasing. So yeah, I'm up for anything, mate. Wrasse, conger eel, whatever. Not fussy. I've got the right equipment, I'm using the right lure, and there's fuck all. And I've watched a good 5 or 6 other fishermen that probably know what they're doing, lure fishing, and have had fucking nothing, mate. Nothing. So yeah, there you go. That's the end of the video. Until next time, Reflex Baits signing out.